What happened?
Help?
What happened?
I'm stuck. Help.
Help.
What you doing?
Snowman's belly.
Making someone's belly.
We're making snowman's.
Hit.
Oh,
Hit.
But I'm making
Where's
a belly.
someone's hit?
Huh? Yeah, keep making snowman's belly.
Where's someone's...
do you want to do another snow angel?
Nope.
Nope.
Let's do it snowman's.
Huh?
Alkamasi, help?
Isn't that cool? How often does the whole family get outside?
Minus Dad.
Minus Dad.
Hey, Mikhail!
Ato, Mama, you have to make the bottom of the snowman. That's the head. I got the did. You got the bottom.
To make yours bigger than Ange.
I'm making it.
Bigger than Angie's.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty big. Hey, what's
Hold
this?
it to your stomach, Angie.
No, I'm not picking it
Snowman.
up.
What? No, it's not that heavy.
Mikhail! Mikhail, look!
I don't want to wreck it.
Mikhail, watch!
You won't.
Mikhail, what's Ato Mama doing?
Mikhail, look! See?
He's too concentrated.
Very good. You guys are
9
retarded.
months?
Yeah, that's 9 months. This is 7.5.
Nice snowman, Mikhail.
I miss that snowman's.
This is fun, you know.
Nice snowman.
I don't even know when-
There's snowman's.
Nice snowman.
There's snowman's on it.
Can you put more snow? Is the snow cold?
Let me do it.
The show? The show?
Take the camera.
There's, oh, you need, see, you need to break it up. Here. Here's some snow.
Yeah, you need to be behind me. Mom,
Here you go.
you need to have the sun behind you.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Oh, where did it go? You're welcome. You're welcome.
Here, come here. Let's go. Let's go to the angel.
He's gonna sink.
Oh!
Yay!
Come on, the angel.
Do angels.
Angel.
Yay! Arms! Do your arms!
Arms, arms, arms.
Yay! I'm gonna get snow in his face.
Mom, don't do that.
He's gonna get cold, Mom.
It's cold.
I like
Did you do a snow angel?
a snowman.
What is this, buddy?
A snowman?
A snowman!
Can you say hi, Mom? Look at Mommy, say hi.
Say hi, Mom.
Can you say hi, Cookie?
Hi, Cookie. Oh!
He's hard at work.
Oh!
Look what Apple Mama did. Look what
Get
Apple
the
Mama.
one bigger.
Hey, snowman. Look, how careful, look. Snowman.